Jacob here from ABC. Today we are going to talk through the chemicals that every window cleaner should have on hand. Now of course the number one chemical every window cleaner should have on hand is some sort of window cleaning soap, like ABC Glisten for example. Soap is going to help you clean faster and get stubborn dirt off of the window. We recommend using a specialty soap designed specifically for window cleaning like ABC Glisten, Glass Gleam 3 or 4, and there's a variety of others that you can check out on our website. Many window cleaners also use over-the-counter products such as Dawn or Joy or some other dish soap. Those will work fine as well, though they tend to be sudsier than the chemicals that are specifically formulated for window cleaning. Now at some point, you're going to run up against a window that has something on it a little bit too stubborn for just your washer and your soap. In a case like that, we recommend having a mild stain remover on hand, such as ABC Stain Remover. There's a variety of other ones as well that you can check out on our website. These are going to be good for hard water stains, calcium deposits, anything that takes some elbow grease and is just a little bit too tough for your soap to handle. The next chemical we recommend having on hand is a solvent. This is going to be good when you're removing stickers from windows, decals, and there's some adhesive left behind. Solvents such as oil flow are going to make those much easier to get off and save you tons of time. Be aware though that these can have pretty strong fumes sometimes, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and you follow all instructions from the manufacturer. Now if you work in very hot areas where there's a lot of direct sunlight and high temperatures and you find that the water on the windows is evaporating really quickly, sometimes before you can even finish squeegeeing, we would also recommend that you have a soap additive on hand, such as ABC Slick. A additive like Slick is going to make it so that the water evaporates slower, giving you more time to get the window squeegeed off in really hot areas. Now it's really important for safety and for OSHA compliance that for any chemicals that you're using, you have the SDS or MSDS sheet on site. We recommend printing off each sheet from the manufacturer, or for any chemicals that you buy from ABC, they're available on our website. Print them off, keep them in a binder, and keep them in your truck so you'll have them handy. So we've covered the 4 categories of chemicals we consider to be essential for virtually every window cleaner to have on hand. There are, of course, a variety of other types of chemicals out there, including strong acids for stains that are too stubborn for your mild stain remover, glass protectants, chemicals for gutter cleaning, and a whole bunch more that you can find on our website. So take a look and choose whichever ones seem most appropriate for your company and your applications. We just covered the essential chemicals that every window cleaner is going to want to have on hand. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Make sure to hit subscribe so you can see more videos that we come out with. And as always, thanks for watching.